If you are new to Zoho Books and want to manage your business finances easily, this guide will help you understand the basics in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Zoho Books is an accounting software that helps you track income, expenses, invoices, and taxes all in one place. In this video, I'll walk you through the essential steps so you can start using it without any confusion. First, go to the Zoho Books website and sign up for an account, or log in if you already have one. Once you enter the dashboard, you will see different sections like Dashboard, Sales, Purchases, Banking, and Reports. These are the main areas where you will manage your financial data. Start by setting up your organization details. Go to Settings and enter your business name, address, and tax information. This ensures your invoices and reports are accurate. Next, add your customers and vendors under the Sales and Purchases sections. This helps you keep track of who you are dealing with. Now you can create invoices. Go to the Sales section and click on Invoices, then select Create Invoice. Enter customer details, add products or services, set the price, and send the invoice directly from Zoho Books. You should also record your expenses. Go to the Purchases section and add bills or expenses with proper details. This helps you monitor how much you are spending. To keep your records accurate, connect your bank account under the Banking section. This allows you to import transactions and reconcile them with your records. Finally, use the Reports section to view profit and loss, balance sheet, and other financial reports. This gives you a clear picture of your business performance. In short, set up your account, add contacts, create invoices, track expenses, and review reports to manage your finances effectively in Zoho Books. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.